Welcome to the column, Tips for Professional Use. Today we discover the features of Commet. Commet, the intense detergent for scrubber dryer. What is its scope of use? Commet is a highly effective detergent capable of thoroughly removing oils, greases and encrustations. It is recommended for cleaning industrial buildings, warehouses, canteens and food industries. Non-foaming and odorless. Suitable for HACCP plants. Formulated for intensive cleaning of all alkali and water-resistant surfaces such as clinker, terracotta bricks, stoneware, porcelain stoneware, ceramics, industrial flooring and absorbent materials. Let's see how to use it. Dilute the product from 100 to 600 milliliters in 10 liters of water depending on the degree of soiling. Apply the solution to the surfaces to be treated with a mop or scrubber dryer. For intensive cleaning with a single brush machine and wet vacuum cleaner, spread the solution on the floor, leave to act briefly, scrub with a pad, then rinse and vacuum.
Safety devices. Wear protective gloves, protective clothing.
Protect eyes and face.